Hello and welcome to Shelter Mode, the premier YouTube channel for shipping container living. In this video, we bring to you Vivienda CBD2016, a shipping container house in Córdoba, Spain, built with 4 shipping containers. Stay tuned to find out more about this modern container house. If you are looking for modern floor plans for container homes, a weekly update on case studies for most influential shipping container homes from around the world, plus detailed articles from our building guide for shipping container homes, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for these and more weekly videos. Check out our website sheltermode.com for lots of free resources, modern floor plans, and blueprints. If you like our videos plus our valuable content on shipping container living, feel free to support our channel on Patreon through the link in the description below. Without further ado, let's get started. Vivienda CBD2016 is a modern shipping container house in Córdoba, Spain. The house is conceived as a standalone single-family residence, but in reality, it is an extension of the main house on a shared plot. This project is built using 2 40-foot shipping containers and 2 20-foot shipping containers. All the containers were fabricated in a workshop and painted before delivered on site. The containers sit on a concrete raft foundation that protrudes outwards from the natural terrain onto which the containers are directly supported. 2 40-foot containers sit on the ground floor level with a gap in between to increase the floor area of the house. The 20-foot containers are stacked on top of the 40-foot containers to create the second story. On the ground level, a side entrance with a custom wooden door midway one of the 40-foot shipping containers leads into an entrance lobby. On the left of the entrance lobby, a small kitchen occupies one half of the container and an open-plan living space half the second container. The 20-foot container above the living space is cut open to create a double-volume living space, exposing the self-supporting structure left over from the container floor beams. A second custom wooden door leads to the 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms occupying the remaining halves of the 40-foot shipping containers on the ground floor level. One of the bedrooms is ensuite and the other bathroom is shared. A steel staircase from the living room leads onto the 4th 20-foot container on the first floor level, used as a home office. The entire length of the office loft is fitted with a protective railing made from glass. From the office space, a steel door opens onto the rooftop deck. The rooftop deck is covered with a reinforced steel mesh on the outside, plus expanded polystyrene, given a waterproofing sheet and finished on top with ceramic tiles. The house has plywood wooden floors throughout. The interior is adorned with custom art pieces and furniture, which adds to the ambience and the personality of the house. The shipping containers are visible throughout the structure, with the corrugated container walls visible on the outside. The corrugated container walls in the kitchen are left exposed and painted gray, with a horizontal service hatch above the kitchen counter. The exposed corrugated container walls help to exemplify the industrial design of the house by exposing the building blocks that were used to construct the house. The containers are painted with white ceramic paint on the outside to mitigate against the high temperatures experienced during summer. The interior walling is lined with gypsum cardboard backing on mineral wool insulation for the thermal and acoustic insulation. However, the ceiling space under the loft space is finished with acoustic insulation plasterboard and multi-reflective insulation. The double-height floor slab in the living room is not completely dismantled, but the board and part of the base beams are eliminated to avoid the twisting that occurs in the shipping containers during fabrication. The roof of the 20-foot containers is covered with reinforced steel mesh on the outside, plus expanded polystyrene, plus waterproofing and gravel finish on top. All the cutouts for openings, doors and windows are reinforced with additional steel to maintain the structural integrity of the shipping containers. The house is fitted with big glass windows on all elevations to provide ample daylighting throughout the interior. The interior walls are painted white to make the space appear brighter and feel bigger, hence eliminating the claustrophobic feel of living in shipping containers. The original container cargo doors are left intact in most containers to help serve as additional security and as door shutters to the fully glazed openings. A solar water heater is installed on the rooftop to supply hot water to the house. The swimming pool next to the house helps to soften the landscape and enhance the ambience around the building. The open plan living space with the double volume is our favorite space in this shipping container building. Which part of this house appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, as usual, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. Remember to subscribe if this is the first time you are watching a video from our YouTube channel for these and more weekly videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. If you love shipping container homes or you are planning on building one, our YouTube channel is a one-stop shop for a complete guide on how to design, how to build, how to insulate, and a collection of hundreds of blueprints for container homes designs. In addition, we also cover case studies of the best homes made from shipping containers from around the world. For this and more, feel free to subscribe and remember to click on the bell so that you don't miss out on any of our amazing weekly videos. You can also contact us on our website sheltermode.com or follow us on social media platforms through the links in the description below.